Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 550 profiling not started, error profiling not started on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver, look for, go to view and click on show hidden devices, and here expand your Bluetooth driver, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Update your Bluetooth device driver. If your problem is still, then uninstall your Bluetooth driver, right click on it and choose uninstall device, and thereafter close the device manager windows, restart your system, and after restarting your system, again go to same place, device manager, right click on start button and choose device manager, and here select your Bluetooth device driver, select Bluetooth, right click on it and choose a scan for hardware changes. Windows will now automatically reinstall your Bluetooth device driver in your system. So first update your Bluetooth driver, and second uninstall and reinstall your device driver, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system. From the right side, go to troubleshoot and here choose other troubleshooters and run Bluetooth troubleshoot. Click on run button and follow on screen instruction to complete the Bluetooth troubleshooting process. Basically, this is a Bluetooth related issues, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and remove all your Bluetooth devices first, and again pair your Bluetooth devices. If you have already added various Bluetooth devices, then remove it and again pair and connect your Bluetooth devices. So remove all your connected Bluetooth devices and click on add devices and pair again your Bluetooth devices, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconf5z. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Clean boot your system. From the top menu bar, go to services option and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner, and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, again go through top menu bar and click on a startup option and click on the link, open Task Manager. Task Manager window will now open. Here all your startup apps will available. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Find out. If any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Thereafter, close the Task Manager windows, choose Apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, one more fixes, go to Windows Search and type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.